How to post on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to learn how to post some photos or videos on Instagram, what you're simply gonna do is first open Instagram on your device. Now, in the bottom self, in the middle, you can see a plus icon. Click on it, and then over here you'll see various options like photo, story, reel, live, etc. Go to if you want to post a story, go to story. If you want to post a reel, go to reel. If you want to post a photo, go to post. Then click on the photo you want to post and then go to next. After that, you can add various audios, write something, edit the photo, or add some filters to the photo from here. Then click on next. After that, from here, you can tag other people. You can add a caption to your photo or video. You can add the location, or you can also choose audience, or you can also go to more options, and then you can see other options over here. So after you do that, just go to the options here and then you will successfully post a photo or a video to your Instagram. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you again in the next video.